I'm going to show you an easy way to make melodies in FL Studio. First, you will choose your instrument, of course. Let's choose, for example, this. You see this note icon in the left corner. I will click it, and here are some scales you can choose from. Fugri and dominant is pretty cool, and you can choose D, Fugri and dominant from here. Now the piano roll is straight in the scale, and basically every note that is in these white bars are in the scale. You can make exceptions, but mainly this is a good guidance for you to follow. Now you can just make some chords and try different options. Now you can just click Ctrl+S. It will open up the strum tool, and now you can just strum it a little bit. Yeah. So let's put this one octave up and this one octave up. And now let's add another instrument. Turn it to an ARP by pressing Ctrl+A. Now let's add an instrument that plays some kind of rhythm with that melody. So it gives more groove to the overall experience, you know? Now it needs a melody or drums or both. Let's try adding melody first. And here's the final melody that I turned into a full beat.